children. Today we will be visiting the 7 wonders of the ancient world, which include the pyramids of Giza, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and the other ones also.
We're all really excited, Austin!
Oh boy, I am too. Now let's go! Whoa! These spunky buildings are the Great Pyramids of Giza. They were built around 2600 BC. They're 756 feet long and 450 feet tall. They're composed of 2,300,000 blocks, and each block is 2.5 tons. Whoa! It's a lot of numericals, I know, but it just shows the size of these massive pyramids. The pyramids were homes to ancient Egyptian pharaohs. Also, I bet you didn't know that they are the only ancient wonders still standing today. Alright, we're at the Hanging Gardens, and they're covered in foliage. I guess that's why they're called the Hanging Gardens. Anyways, these gardens were built on the Euphrates River in modern-day Iraq. Legend has it that this was a garden paradise, but experts say it never really existed. Maybe it's just a mirage. What is this?
1, 2, 3.
This is the Temple of Artemis!
Holy cannoli! This temple was built for Artemis, the Greek goddess of the hunt? Man, this temple was said to have many exquisite artworks. That means fancy pictures.
Mama.
The statue of Zeus was built in the 5th century BC. This 40-foot gymongous Greek statue was built in the city of Olympia. It was in honor of the Olympic Games, which makes sense because Olympia and Olympic both start with Oli. Wait, what's this? This is an ancient wonder of the world? But it's all broken. Oh, there it is. It's the Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. That was a mouthful. Anyways, this elaborate tomb was built for King Mausolus. His wife Artemisia II had it built in a memorial of their love. Oh, how nice. Well, this is weird. He's doing the splits over a bunch of boats. That's weird. Well, anyways, the Colossus of Rhodes was built in the 4th century BC. This 110-foot statue of the Greek sun god Helios didn't live long because it snapped at the knees from an earthquake. Ouch, that would have hurt my knees. Wait, what am I standing on? Never mind. The Lighthouse of Alexandria was built in the 3rd century BC. This lighthouse used mirrors to reflect sunlight for miles out to sea. Man, I bet that was very productive when it was dark out. The lighthouse was the only ancient wonder that had a practical use. That makes sense because of the lighthouse. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I also hope it was fun and entertaining.
Yeah!